This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start backing up now, so open the App Store, install Google Photos, and sign in with your Google account. Grant Photos permission to access your iPhone photos when prompted. This lets the app read and upload images. Once done, enable Background App Refresh so uploads continue when the app is in the background. Next, tap Settings right arrow Backup and sync and pick a backup quality. Original preserves full resolution. Storage Saver reduces file sizes to save Google storage. Now fine-tune what uploads. In Backup and Sync settings, choose whether to upload over Wi-Fi only or allow cellular for photos and videos. Make sure you understand data usage if you enable cellular. Use the Backup Device Folders option to include what's app, screenshots, or other app folders you want copied. If storage is tight, delete unnecessary local duplicates or enable Storage Saver quality to reduce file size. Also confirm Google Photos shows a syncing progress indicator, so you know upload status. Finish by confirming everything synced. Open Google Photos and look for the backed up label on images and cross-check on photos. Google.com if you need a faster view. If some photos didn't upload, toggle Backup and Sync off and on, force close the app, and reopen it to restart syncing. This often clears stalled uploads. Make sure the app is updated and iOS Photos permissions are granted. If issues persist, free Google storage or reinstall the app. Those steps usually resolve stubborn sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.